Firstly, shout out to all of you guys. You guys are amazing. Last night we had our first live TikTok live, where I got to showcase, answer your questions, talk about trading, talk about the mentality, the psychology, etc, etc. And we was on this TikTok live for 2 hours and 20 minutes, initially scheduled for only 1 hour, but we kept on going, and we could have kept on going all night because the comments and the questions were just coming in every 5 minutes, and so we needed to cut off after 2 hours and 20 minutes. And my team were telling me, Priyesh, cool, that's enough, everyone is tired, everybody wants to go to bed. Throughout the night there was over 1,700 of you coming in and out of this TikTok live, so that was great numbers to see. There was an abundance of questions, and in total we had over 4,000 likes as well. And I just want to say thank you for all of those lovely comments and all of those kind gestures that you guys were writing as well. I did have time to go through at the end and read what all of you guys were saying, so cheers and appreciate all the kind words and messages. I did say towards the end, because we don't have enough time, we'll do another one of these. Actually, we'll do quite a few of these if you guys really want them. So this time, sign up. It's going to be on the 18th of October, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Link is in the bio. And this time, if you're going to be joining from the first TikTok live, then ask me a different question from what you did previously, and then let's go again, let's have some fun. So see you on the 18th. Sign up, link in bio.